Alright.
Gonna get a butler named Benson when I get mine. Gonna throw in my boss when I get mine. I will never put my own glass when I get mine. Don't worry if you can't afford it. Started you working so hard. I know you want it.
I have 5 pieces of chicken, garlic powder, seasoning salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper. I have 1 egg, I have flour and some cornmeal. So I'm gonna start now. Here I have my flour and cornmeal. I'm gonna start adding to it now. So I'm mixing everything up now. All the seasoning into the cornmeal and flour. By the way, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Subscribe, man. What keep you so long? Subscribe. Thank you. Dipping the chicken now in the egg. Then I'm gonna put it in the flour mixture. Another piece, make sure it have enough egg on it. Put it in. Now I'm mixing everything up because I'm going to put it in the deep fry now. All the flour and cornmeal mixture. I'm going to put it in the fryer now. Yeah, I'm going to fry each side for 6 minutes. So I'm going to turn it now.
Gonna put my money in a mansion when I get mine. Gonna get a butler named Benson when I get mine. Gonna throw in my boss when I get mine.
Done now, so I'm taking them out. Alright, look how pretty this is. Look how beautiful. Wow. And this you can eat with whatever you want to eat it with. And you know what? Not only pretty, you know, it tastes good. So you know what you should do? Share this video with a friend who loves fried chicken and tell me how much you enjoy it. Alright? And subscribe to my channel, please. Alright? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. One love.
Gonna put my money in a mansion when I get mine. Gonna get a butler named Benson when I get mine. Gonna throw in my boss when I get